Morning students, today we are going to the topic real numbers. Now it is the first chapter, real numbers. We have learned in previous classes, that is 9th standard, real numbers. First of all, you learn in discuss our chapter types of numbers. Euclid's division lemma, fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Next, logarithms. Okay. So first of all, types of numbers. First one, natural numbers. Natural numbers. We know natural numbers. So, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. These known as natural numbers. Counting numbers are called natural numbers. It is always denoted by the letter capital N. So N equal set of 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, infinitive. Infinitive means not defined. Okay. Next, whole numbers. Whole numbers. Whole numbers means natural numbers along with 0 is known as whole numbers. It is always represented by W. W means whole numbers. So W equals set of 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, infinitive. Okay children, so here observe that what is the difference between natural numbers and whole numbers. Natural numbers are starting from 1 and whole numbers are starting from 0. That is the difference. Okay. Next, rational numbers. Rational numbers. The numbers which have the form p by q, where q is not equal 0, then it is called rational numbers. Okay. Another. So in previous, integers. Okay children, you know number line. So it is a number line. Now 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. -1, -2, -3 and so on. Okay. Here right sides are called positive numbers, left sides are called negative numbers. Now integers means positive numbers, negative numbers and 0, including with 0, is called integers. Okay. Integers are always denoted by the letter I or Z. Now I equal set of and so on, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. That is the integers. Next, rational numbers. Rational numbers. For example, 3 by 4. Now it is a fraction. Okay. So 3 is called numerator, 4 is called denominator. Now these types are called rational numbers. And also 7. 7. Here, the 7, here denominator is always by 1. Okay, now 7 is called numerator and 1 is called denominator. Okay, now observe that the numbers which have the form P by Q. The numbers which have the form P by Q. So P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0, is called rational numbers. Rational numbers are always denoted by the letter Q. Now Q equals set of 3 by 4, 7 by 9, 2 and so on. Okay now? Now it is rational numbers. Next, irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. So irrational numbers means the numbers which does not have the form, which cannot write the form P by Q, is called irrational numbers. For example, it is denoted by Q dash. Now Q dash equals set of root 2, root 3, root 5 and so on and so on. Okay, so listen. For example, root 1. Root 1 is a perfect square because root 1 write as root 1 square. 1 square means 1 into 1 equal 1. Okay, now here square root are cancelled. Now equal 1. It get 1. Okay, now next in the same root 4 equal root 4 write as 2 square. Now square root are cancelled. Now it is 2. In the same root 9. So it write as 3 square. Square root are cancelled. Now 3. Okay now root 1, root 4, root 9 in the same root 16 are perfect square. Now it is real number. It is rational numbers. So one rational number. So 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 3 by 1. Now these are rational numbers. Okay now, understand? So now root 2 is a irrational number. Root 3 is a irrational number. Root 5 is irrational. And it is not perfect square. Okay now? That is. So here observe that rational numbers are irrational numbers. Okay? Now next, real numbers, our topic. Real numbers. The combination of rational numbers and irrational numbers is known as real numbers. It is denoted by the letter R. R equal Q union Q dash. R equal Q union Q dash. Q means rational numbers. Q means rational numbers. Q dash means irrational numbers. Okay now? So our topic is real numbers. Okay, that is the types of numbers or kinds of numbers. Okay, next our topic Euclid's division lemma. Euclid's division lemma or Euclid's division algorithm. So here recall in previous classes division rule. So that is dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, so observe that. Now our topic Euclid's division lemma. So some examples. Rajesh consists 7 chocolates. So 7 chocolates. These 7 chocolates are put into 3 boxes. It is chocolates are put into 3 boxes. That is equal means These two chocolates are put into the box. These two chocolates are put into second box. These two chocolates are put into third box. 1, 2, 3 boxes. So how many chocolates are remaining? Only one chocolate. Only one chocolate. That can be written as here total 7 chocolates. Total 7 chocolates. Now equal put into 2 chocolates. So now 7 by 2. 7 by 2. So 7 by 2. So it write as 2, 7. 2, 3 ja 6. So now remainder equal 1. Remainder equal 1. Now here 7 is called dividend. 2 is called divisor, Q is called quotient, 1 is called remainder. Now that can be written as dividend equal divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now dividend equal 7. Next divisor equal 2. Quotient 3 plus 1. Okay, next another. The same topic. Rajesh consists of 6 chocolates. These chocolates are put into 3 boxes and equal chocolates. Now equal chocolates means 2 chocolates. 2 chocolates are put into first box. 2 chocolates are put into second box. 2 chocolates are put into third box. Here how many chocolates are remaining? No. Okay. Now it is right as 6 by 2. 6 by 2. Now total chocolate 6. Now 2, 6. 2, 3 ja 6. Now remainder 0. Remainder 0. Now here 6 is dividend, 2 is divisor, 3 is quotient, R is remainder. Now it write as 6 equal. 6 means dividend. Now 6 equal 2 divisor into 3 quotient plus remainder 0. Remainder 0. Now observe that these examples for any positive integers a and b. Any positive integers a and b. Here a means dividend. A means dividend. B means divisor. We have about all whole numbers Q and R. Q and R. Now here Q means quotient, R means remainder. Their satisfaction in a relation A equal BQ plus R, where condition 0 less than or equal R less than B. That is the condition. Okay. Now A equal BQ plus R, where condition 0 less than or equal R less than B. Now here A means dividend, same as A means dividend, B means divisor, Q means quotient, plus R means remainder. Okay now here observe that 0 less than or equal R less than B. 0 less than or equal R less than B. Now B means divisor, B means divisor, R means remainder. So for example, here taken B equal 4. Here taken B equal 4. Now 0 less than or equal R less than B. B equal 4. Now here R means remainder. Now remainder values are R equal 0. You have taken 0 also because given R less than R equal. Okay. Now R equal 0. And between 4 means 1, 2, 3. That's all. Not taken by 4. Okay now. That is now R equal 0, 1, 2, 3. R means remainders. Okay now. Now this known as Euclid's division lemma. Euclid's division lemma. Okay now. Now definition. For any positive integers, a comma b, that exist unique integers are q and r. The satisfaction or satisfying the relation A equal BQ plus R, where 0 less than or equal R less than B. It is a Euclid division lemma condition. Okay, now that is next. Let us one example. A equal 80, B equal 9. Then find Q on R. Q on R. Okay, children. Now, here observe that A means dividend. Dividend is always greater than the divisor. Okay, now forget it. So divisor 9. So 9, 80. So 9 8 72. Okay. So remainder 8. Here Q means quotient. Now Q equal quotient. Quotient equal 8. Now remainder R. Remainder equal 8. Okay, na children. So Q equal 8 and remainder equal 8. That is same. Next another example. In the same another example taken. A equal 27, B equal 2. Then find Q and R. Q and R, simple. So now divisor 2. Now dividend 27. Okay, now 2 13s 26. Okay, now remainder 1. So here quotient equal 13 and remainder equal 1. That is okay. Understand clearly? Next. Find HCF of 60 and 100 using Euclid division lemma. Euclid's division lemma. Okay. Find HCF of 60 and 100 use Euclid's division lemma. Now HCF. You know HCF? HCF means highest common factor. So, okay, first of all, lemma. Lemma means, lemma is already a proven statement. Now it is proving another statement. Okay, now here 60 and 100. So it is a dividend and it is divisor. Okay, so first step 1. Now, so 100 60. Okay, how many times? So 60. 61, so 60. Now remainder 40. So using Euclid division lemma. Now Euclid division lemma, A equal BQ plus R. A equal BQ plus R. Now A means dividend, B means divisor, Q means quotient, R means remainder. Now A equal dividend. Now step 1, 100 equal. So B means divisor. Divisor here 60 into. Now quotient 1. Remainder 40. That is step 1. Next again. Step 2. Next. Here divisor 40. Now 60 is a dividend. So 60. Now 40 once 40. Now here remainder 20. So same as, so 60 is dividend. Now dividend 60 equal 40. 40 is a divisor. 40 into, now here quotient 1, here remainder 20. Okay, next step 3. Step 3. So now 20. Here 20 it comes divisor, 40 comes dividend. So say 22 ja 40. Remainder 0. Now dividend 40. 40 equal, here divisor 20 into quotient 2 plus remainder 0. Okay, here remainder 0. So our condition 0 less than or equal or less than 0. That is our condition. Okay, now here remainder equal 40, here remainder equal 0. Now this is HCF of these two numbers. Okay, the HCF of 60 and 100 is 20. HCF of 60 and 100 is 20. Okay, understand? Next. Another example. Same. Find HCF of 50 and 70 using Euclid division lemma. Same as this. Now our condition A equal BQ plus R. The condition 0 less than or equal B less than R less than B. That is our condition. Okay, now step 1. Okay, first of all, 70 is dividend, 50 is divisor, so 50. Now 50 once 50, 50 once 50. Now here remainder 20. So A equal BQ plus R. Here A means 70. 70 equal, B means divisor 50, Q means quotient 1, R means remainder 20. Next, step 2. Step 2, same, 20 comes divisor and 50 comes dividend. Okay, now 22 ja 40, remainder 10. Okay, children? Okay, here dividend 50, 50 equal, here divisor 20, quotient 2 plus remainder 10. Next, step 3. So 10 comes divisor, 20 comes dividend. 10 2 ja 20. So remainder 0. Remainder 0. Okay now 20 equal 10 into 2 plus remainder 0. Now here remainder is 0. Okay in Euclid division lemma, remainder must be 0 or less than B. Okay so B means divisor. Next, the HCF. HCF of 50 and 70 is 10. That is, now 10 is HCF. Okay, children? That is. Okay, understand? Well, that's